How do I fix my Kitchenaid refrigerator that is not cooling? Kitchenaid produces excellent refrigerators, but repairs are occasionally necessary. Aside from that, your Kitchenaid refrigerator isn't cooling for various reasons. They could range from simple problems, like unclean condenser coils, to complex issues like a faulty evaporator fan motor. With all of that stated, let's figure out how to repair your Kitchenaid fridge that isn't chilling using these steps. First, clean the condenser coils. Next, test the thermistor. Then, check the evaporator fan motor. And lastly, test the refrigerator start relay. If you want a professional to do the job for your valuable Kitchenaid refrigerator, our skilled technicians at Kitchenaid Appliance Professionals can help. They've been extensively trained, and they've been insured as well, so you can rest assured that our services will provide nothing but excellent results that last for a long time. If you have any inquiries, call us at 855-213-9318 or visit our website at kitchenaid-appliance-repair-professionals.com. Subscribe for more service explanations.